Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So check it out. We got a new package that we're going to be unboxing here today. Excited for this. This is a package coming from Coast Airbrush. I ordered a few supplies that I needed to add to my collection, the arsenal. This way I can proceed with my project. So we're going to go right ahead and get the trusty hobby knife. Bam, right here from Tamiya. Let's check it out. We are going to embark in this journey together to see what I ordered. There's still plenty more items I do want to order from them. And also I wanted to add, just recently David Monin posted a video on their Instagram and Facebook sharing the information regarding the limited edition colors that they were going to make that special available for this week only. So might want to go ahead and take advantage of that. Check it out. I got the set of colors. I showcased them earlier on a previous unboxing. Man, they're beautiful colors. Go back and watch that video. I'll link it to this. So check it out. Here we got the paper, nicely packaged. Ooh, check this out right here, guys. What do we see here? See the HouseofKolor right there, the UC31 Aqua. And then over here, we also have a bottle of HouseofKolor pinstriping reducer. Let's go right ahead and let's see. I'm gonna use my knife to cut out this side right here. You know, I don't want to damage, you know, the bottles. I got to be very careful as I'm cutting this right here. Oh, look at it! Look at this! Look at this! Right there, guys. Check it out. That's the Aqua. And over here, let's bust out the reducer. So yeah, many you know, some years back, I used to have the reducer. I was starting to have a stash of pinstripe urethane enamel from by HouseofKolor over the years. This is before, you know, my daughter was born. Oh, what else? One last thing. Man, I really love the packaging. It was packed really well right here. All the way from Anaheim, California. Here, I'm gonna set my knife. Oh wait, I'm gonna need it. All right, let's see what this last product is right here, guys. Let's check this one out. Then I'm gonna put the knife away as it's rolling, waiting for me to catch it. Here, we'll set the side right there. This right here is a product that I'm getting for the first time. I've never owned or used this product here. This is the AP01. Check that out right there. You know, I had recently watched the John Kosmowski marbleizing video, talks about this product, and also recently some of the videos that David Monin has put out on his Coast Airbrush Instagram account, talking about this product right here. And first time, you know, I plan to use this on future builds. You know, guys, not too long ago, I had showcased my 70 Impala that had some patterns. I had done that a very long time ago. So let's say if I wanted to continue on that build to lay out more patterns, more tape outs, clear coat and all that stuff, that model has been sitting out for so long. You know, everything that the paint, everything that I added to that, the flake, everything has already gassed out and has pretty much closed up shop, right? So at this point, you know, it has not been clear coated. If I go in there and I start, you know, wet sanding in, getting into all that stuff, I'm going to end up damaging that paint and everything, right? But at the same time, if I start to add more graphics and clear and whatnot, it's not going to stick that well, right? I'm going to run into some issues. So that's where this is going to come in right here. Pretty much going to be pouring this airbrush, spray it on the whole body. You know, since it's a small little model, I'm going to give it some minutes, some time for it to, you know, to do its thing. And then after that, I can continue and apply, whether it's, you know, want to add some more graphics to it, more tape outs, or if I just want to clear coat it, you know. It's pretty much an adhesive promoter right here, the AP01. And this is something that, you know, I've slept on, you know. I wish I would have known about it earlier. I mean, if anything, it would have been me more paying attention to this stuff, you know. That's why it's always good to go back and rewatch videos and stuff, because sometimes you don't get it all the first time around until the second or third or fifth time, you know. but I'm happy I got this. I ordered it in a 4-ounce bottle. That's the one thing I love about Coast Airbrush, is that they pour out different quantities that you need. You know, maybe I didn't want to get the big bottle or something like that. You know, maybe I was in a budget or whatever the case may be, you know. But for me right now, this is an introductory right here, the AP01 4-ounce bottle. Later in the future, I'm definitely going to be expanding to a bigger bottle as my projects grow. You know, right now I'm currently doing model car builds, but later my projects are just going to evolve, getting into bigger things, and I'm definitely going to need more, you know. As far as reducer, you know, I'm getting this Aqua U31 right here, pinstripe paint, which I'm going to be practicing getting back into pinstriping, guys, right there, as you see. And I definitely need this product right here as well. They go hand in hand. And as time goes, I'm definitely going to be building on my collection, going to be getting more colors. You know, I'm just starting little by little on these and going to have my fun. And getting these because I do want to add pinstripe lines and graphics and whatever I can add to my model car builds. And this way I can clear coat over it and get everything locked in into one and not be worrying about it being scratched off or anything. So if you guys are looking for any of these kind of products, just check out coastairbrush.com. They're out in Anaheim. If you're in the area, Southern California, also check them out there. So thank you guys for watching this and being part of the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more future videos. All right, guys, peace out.